And what I'm presenting you is the highest system I can think of. And the lowest system is the system of the Illuminati. um, and they won't get anywhere with what they're doing, but their purpose is to help us wake up. So it's up to us to wake up or to become part of the statistics. That is their purpose, to make you a statistic, to wipe you out so that you can come back to this earth in the same frame of mind that you are in now. Because if you don't change your mind about you, about God, about, then you will be coming back to this earth in the same frame of mind. Remember, E equals MC squared. And if you look at the meaning of the conservation of energy, you cannot create it nor destroy it. You can only change it. So therefore, we've been coming to this earth. For how long, I don't know. But when I was very young, I recognize that I've been here before, and I didn't like the idea that I was going through the same monotonous ritual that I've been doing, perhaps, I don't know how many years, how many millenniums, whatever. But if you're honest with yourself, and you're not trying to make money or anything like that, which is going to distract you from real knowledge, from freedom, then you'll see what I'm talking about. Well, folks, like I say, you can follow me with the Four Seasons calendar and just go with that. I'm gonna leave now and just show you a few other things that I got going. So here's a little. I got this at a store where witches were, and I like witches, and they're good people. We're all good people, even though we're some of us are not to others. We're all good because we're all part of God. And so and that is where I got that from, I believe, that particular one right there at the arch. It's somewhere in Utah. I forgot the place. My son and I went there and I bought it from there. Anyway, and this fire down below. So these two dragons here both come from the same store, Heinzelmann's. And that one was given to me, this waterfall right there. And then I like these, you see? Let me show you. And I love petrified wood. And that's what this one is, and that one is, and whatever. And I got that online, cactus. And this tree here, if you guys have watched my video called A Thief in the Night, showing a hawk in the tree with his family of 4 chicks. This is the tree that they were nested in. It fell down, It's pretty cool, When it fell down, I says, that's mine. So,